Guys, I'm up over 400% in just one day scalping Bitcoin. And to be honest, it's not that hard. I've been using very simple strategy that I've been teaching on my channel and very simple technical analysis to find my levels. Now, full disclosure, I do have a Discord, which I've been preaching for you to join. And I do have a VIP section, which you can join for absolutely free by DMing my bot the VIP code found throughout the videos. This is an example of trades that I'm looking at and the levels that I give in advance in my VIP Discord, so make sure that you join. That being said, the first digit for this video will be a 1. I'm exactly short from the top and I'm exactly long from the bottom. And guys, we catch wicks around here, okay? This is the 15-minute time frame and we're off by maybe about $80 or so from the bottom, and we're off by maybe $50 or so, give or take, from the top. If I switch to the 1 minute time frame, you can see this is not 1 hour crazy and I'm like exaggerating these wicks. We catch the exact tops and the exact bottoms, and I teach you guys how to do it. Now, to go over this move and why it happened and helping you understand why market structure moves the way that it, or why the market moves the way that it does, I want to show you guys my VIP Discord. This is a 3-minute quick update that I gave everybody last night before this pump, and I give you my reasoning. Now, this was given in advance along with my levels and along with my positions. I'm going to hit play. I want you to listen. Guys, quick little update for you. I'm going to do this on the fly, okay? Well, let's talk about what I think might happen, all right? Obviously, we're in this range. Obviously, we had this dump, and obviously we are in this smaller little range. This is a 4-hour time frame, okay? It's gonna be a quick 60-second update for you. First things first that we can see is money flow is diverging, okay? It is what it is. We had very thick money flow here, very thick money flow here. We are objectively diverging in terms of money flow, okay? We are also very, very, very oversold on the 4-hour time frame. That being said, we do have vectors that we can come up to, right? There is liquidity up here. I don't think we're done with this range. I do think we're coming up. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame does look a little bit uglier than the 4-hour. Doesn't look as clean. However, similar to the 4-hour, we do have money flow diverging. It's very slight. If I were to draw a horizontal line, and I put this to the front, you can see clearly money flow is also diverging. Now, we do have to pay attention to market structure. I am long from down here. We do got to pay attention to market structure, though. The first level that we need to break, if we jump down to the 5-minute time frame, we need to break this strong high. If we break this strong high, it is a change of character, and we can expect to at least start to get somewhat of a retracement back up to this high. Now, there are areas of liquidity up here. I'm gonna make a video on this indicator, so don't worry about it for now. But we do have supply zones that we are to be following later. But I do think that we can come up to at least around 25.8 from here. I do think we break this little mini range to the upside based on market cipher B and the way that it's looking. And like I said, I am long from there. And yeah, the first level to watch is this 25,230. If we break this and we get a pullback, there you can start to look for your entry. And you can put your stop loss under the low to sort of target the highs. That's what I'm thinking for now. I'll give you guys an update for tomorrow. I'll give you guys a larger update tomorrow. Just to explain my zones real quick. These are all levels of liquidity. This is a strong high on the 1-hour time frame, around 26.5. So if we were to come back up here, we can expect, remember, we are in our value area. Oh, where did my marker go? We would be in our value area of the range, right? So if we claim this level, which is what I'm saying, I think we are going to actually come back up. If we claim this level, it is not necessarily unlikely that we come up and fill the entire range. So we could see around 26.5. This is an area of liquidity. This is a supply zone. So we could potentially come up to the value area high and then reject and continue our move downwards. But something else I am keeping my eye on is this high up here. Obviously, that is like 27.5. That's $2,000 away, $2,500 away, which is a good 10% away for now. So we'll talk about that if we get up there. But for now, we got to watch that level I said earlier, and we got to watch this level right here. And of course, we got to watch the value area low. All right, thank you, Past Geo. And as you can see, based on what happened exactly, we came up to that zone as exactly as I said. Right, we came up to our supply zone. We actually did an SFP of the 4-hour high, which you can see in my zone. We do have an SFP. So this trade was given in advance. We are short right now, as you saw right over here. Okay, so you see that I am schlong and I'm holding both positions. And now I'm in a position where it doesn't matter if price goes up or down. I win either way. But that video illustrates to you how to think when you're trading. Remember, I teach you guys how the market moves the way it does, why it moves the way it does. It's not good enough to just be right every once in a while, because the goal is to be consistent over time. If you guys are winning today and losing tomorrow, there's no point to it. You're wasting your time. You're getting dopamine hits and then you're getting absolutely depressed. And believe me, I've been there, okay? The idea is for you to learn and be consistent over time. And the only way to do that is to understand why the market moves the way that it does. So if you guys want to get those timely updates, make sure you join the VIP Discord. I know I'm saying it a lot, but I can't stress it enough, because whoever followed my Discord, and we'll go over it in a second, people made money today in my Discord. So the second number for the VIP Discord will be a 1. As you can see, it happened. The 4 hour was very bottomed out, as I mentioned, and the 15-minute money flow was diverging, right? When we were down here, 15-minute money flow was diverging on the lower term time frames, right? When we were down here, we had money increasing while consistently getting those divergences, right? So the keys were, or the clues, not the keys, the clues were there. The clues were there to go long, and it was simple Market Cipher B. If you don't know, guys, I do have a discount code for you on Market Cipher B. It is a premium indicator, and it's pretty expensive, but I do absolutely think it's worth it, and for reasons like this. In addition to having extra confluence based on this very powerful indicator, you have me, who trades primarily using Market Cipher B, giving you that extra confluence and giving you that zing on what I think is going to go on in the market. So the link is in the description if you're interested in Market Cipher, and I have a 20% discount code. And in addition to that, if you were to purchase Market Cipher using my affiliate link, make sure you DM me on Discord the invoice, because I will give you perma VIP for the duration of your plan that you purchase. So if you get Market Cipher for life, then you will have my VIP section for life. You no longer need to send me the codes. And that's kind of the way that it works. But you could see here, we had that move up. Now, how did I know to short here? Well, in addition to this being a key level, we're going to also turn to Market Cipher B once again. You can see over time that money flow was decreasing while the price was increasing. This is called a divergence. When money flow diverges, it is a very, very strong indicator, okay? Sometimes we know that Bitcoin likes to diverge 3 times, right? We had, or not 3 times, but 3 different waves, but this is still a consistent divergence. So my apologies, I messed this one up. That one and then that one, right? But this is still a continued divergence with money flow, right? Even the wave within the wave, like this smaller wave here, we had money flow diverging as the price was getting higher, right? We had the momentum waves diverging as the price was getting higher. And we even had parts of the VWAP diverging as the money was getting higher, right? We understand how to trade SFPs because I have a course on that. So make sure you go and watch that video on my YouTube if you have not already done so. But we understand how to trade these, and we understand that when we are seeing these divergences, it is relatively safe to start setting your limit orders. And that's exactly what I did. I had 3 limit orders. 2 of them got hit. I missed the last one, but that is absolutely okay. The point is we were correct in our analysis, and we didn't get stopped out. And I gave the trade in advance, and many people in my Discord are in the green today. Shouts out to Michael H. $38,000 in profit today. If I come to my testimonial section, today you guys showered me with love. So far so good, thanks to you, Gio. He took the short from the SFP level that I gave. 26,380, 26,380, right? Caught it a little bit lower than I did, no problem. We still caught the SFP. It doesn't matter your entry, as long as you're in the green, that's all that matters. Shouts out to Kleck. I'm watching your YouTube videos on Market Cipher right now. I must say thank you. Michael, 22K. I just said already. He was 36K in the profit. I don't know if he took profits. I told him he probably should. Took some profits, but there you go. 30K. That's somebody's salary that they made in one day just by following my levels and following my callouts. And I said, y'all making me so happy. Look at this. Shouts out to Dis123. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, bro. A few cheeky ones since following Gio's tutorials and knowledge. Nice one. Look at this. Look at all this green, man. This could be you if you guys just join the Discord, which should bring me to my next number. We'll make it a 0. Okay? Shouts out to Amplitude. So crazy this played out. They grabbed the liquidity and now they're going back to lower levels. It is a whole nother trading experience. Even if I'm a beginner, I still really see it today. And shouts out to Crypto Man Mike. Got to be the best trading. If I come to the brag about it section, look at this, man. We got some green here. People are in the profits. Another quick scalp, 24%, 90%, 28%, 33%, right? So look at this, right? 232%. So guys, my point to this whole thing is when you are creating your analysis and you find your key levels, if you're struggling finding key levels, make sure you join the VIP Discord. But when you're looking to set up a trade and you're looking for the reasons as to why it may or may not work, I want you guys to start thinking out loud and talking out loud to yourselves, just as I talk to you when I explain my rationale behind the trade. It's going to really help you become a more profitable trader. And I cannot stress this enough, guys. You really don't need anything more than Market Cipher B. If you know simple technical analysis, which I teach you on this channel for free, so make sure you like and subscribe if you're getting the value for free. If you know simple technical analysis and you just wait for price to get to your level and you just look at the only indicator you need, Market Cipher B, and just watch money flow, man, you could have done this with just money flow alone. Look at this. Let's just say, like, this is money flow. Just money flow alone, you could have known to short. You definitely wouldn't have longed up here. You're in a short zone, and you definitely wouldn't have longed because money flow is diverging. So if anything, you're going to short, right? But when you're able to understand what's going on and you can see a very clearly strong indicator, I'm going to even show you this. Let's get rid of the VWAP. Like, if you're just looking at money flow alone, right, you can see clearly. Like, guys, this is so clear. Market makers cannot hide their moves. They can't do it. Look at that, right? So nobody should have been shorting up here. Nobody should be losing right now, in my opinion. If you're in my Discord, you should not be losing. You can see how a very powerful indicator like Market Cipher B, paired with, you know, a couple extra things that I teach on this YouTube channel, can really make a difference for you. Guys, that's it for today's video. The last number I'll leave you with is a 3. Thank you for watching. If I provided you value in any way, please show some love by giving me the most random emoji you can think of in the comments down below. I'll see you tomorrow morning during the Brinksbox video, the live Brinksbox video. But yeah, if you like the content, please please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get these updates quicker, and make sure you join the Discord. Like I said, I can't stress it enough. Aside from that, I'm looking forward to seeing your random emojis. Shouts out to everybody in the Discord. Shouts out to everybody that made money today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.